Okay, so here we're going to start out with some fairly simple problems. And the question, the problem here is to write both of these logarithm equations as an exponential equation. Remember, an exponential function is a to the x, yeah? So we have an exponential equation. To do this, we got to go back to the definition. This is what I use to represent if and only if. But remember, this is the same thing as this. They mean the same thing. That's what a logarithm is. So using the definition, the log base 2, a is 2, of 16, 16 is x, equals 4, that's my y. So we have x, 16, equals 2 raised to the 4th. These are the same thing. This is true, and so is this. 2 to the 4th is 16. This is just another way to write a logarithm. That's all a logarithm is. It's really, it's a way to kind of write an exponential equation, but it's really the opposite. But anyways, that's it. Let's do the same thing here. All we do here is this number raised to this power equals this number. So 5 raised to the negative 2 equals 1 over 25. And that is true because our rule of negative exponents says 5 to the negative 2 is 1 over 5 to the positive 2, and 5 squared is 25. That is correct. Also notice in the last video, I said when we take the log of a fraction, we're going to get a negative number. This kind of shows us why that happens. Because a number raised to a negative exponent is 1 over that number with a positive exponent, and you end up with a fraction. That's the reason why the log of a fraction is a negative number.